Good morning, all of you. Very good morning. Right, just before the madam said that you have to implement all the moral values. Until and unless you will implement in your life, so those are useless. Yes or no? Right. In that way only, I want to say one thing. So day before yesterday, I went to the one class. So they said that let us take some self-introduction today. Okay, I told that. So you have to give the self-introduction, okay, but some things you have to say in that. Okay, what are those? So habits, the name, everything, everybody will say that. But habits and aim in your future, what you want to become. So the things you have to do, you have to say, and how to reach that thing also you have to say. So how much information you know about your goal. So simply some of the students said that depending upon other students what they said, same like that only. Okay, why? Because they don't know what to do in your future. Okay, so maybe you have having some confusion now only, but as soon as you have to set your goal, so what to do in your future. Yes or no? Yes or no? Maybe you are very small kids, you maybe don't know, right? So you have so many mentors here, so many guides are here. In your future, what you want to do, you may get some clarity about it. To reach that goal, you can take the guidance of the teachers and everyone. And how to manage, the very important thing is how to manage the time. So there are different types of goals actually. So in your future, what you want to do, directly you don't need to do that. Every day you don't need to try for that. Okay, there will be short-term goals, medium goals, and long-term goals. That long-term goal will be decide your future. Okay, day-wise there will be a short-term goals. Means what? For your daily, what is the homework? Those things. And other than homeworks in your home, what you have to do. Those are the things are your short-term goals. And medium goals means for 1 week what you have to do. For 1 month what you have to do. Those all the things also will decide your future. That long-term goal also will be decided. Yes or no? Do you understand? So in your future what you want to become, make small goals every day what you want to do. Those small things will make your habits. That will become your habits. Every day what you will do, that habits will make your character. Yes, that character will reach you your goal in your future. Will you manage those all things with your teacher's guidance? Yes or no? Right, and manage the time very well. Use your time very productive. Thank you.
పెప్టాక్ చెప్పడానికి సమృద్ధిని వేదికపైకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను.